Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Ethereum on AXI Broker. Right now we are here on the chart, and the first thing that we need to do is we need to put Ethereum to our watch list. So we go to symbols, click on crypto CFD1, and then we search right here for Ethereum. There we have it. Now we click here on show, and now we have Ethereum standing right here on our watch list. Then what we need to do is throw this to the chart, and then right now you will see here the chart of Ethereum. Then what we're gonna do right now is we click here on new order, where we can create our order for Ethereum. So let's say we want to buy a volume of 1, so 1 CFD means 1 coin. Then we can create a stop loss if we want to do that, or a take profit. And then the only thing that we need to do right now is click here on buy market. So right now he's telling us that we opened our position for Ethereum on that price. And if you scroll down to the transfer history, you see right here, or sorry, my current open positions, that is this order type right here. But right now you can see right here that we just created our position on Ethereum. So this is how you can buy Ethereum on AXI Broker. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.